Are you looking for ways to boost your income without creating your own products? The world of affiliate marketing offers a wealth of opportunities for earning money online. But how exactly can you make the most out of these affiliate programs? In today's video, we will uncover the top 7 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. We will explore proven methods to leverage affiliate programs effectively and maximize your revenue potential. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your current strategy, this video will provide valuable insights to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. 1. Create a niche blog. Developing a niche blog is a powerful method to earn through affiliate marketing. By focusing on a specific topic or industry, you can attract a dedicated audience interested in that niche. For instance, a blog about eco-friendly products can draw in readers who are passionate about sustainability. By integrating affiliate links related to your niche, you can promote relevant products to your audience. Each blog post can include product reviews, how-to guides, or comparisons, all embedded with affiliate links that generate commissions when your readers make a purchase. The success of a niche blog relies heavily on consistent, high-quality content. Your blog should offer valuable information that resonates with your target audience. Regularly updating your blog with fresh content helps improve your search engine rankings and keeps readers engaged. As your blog gains authority and traffic, affiliate link placements become more effective, increasing your potential earnings. Additionally, employing SEO strategies can boost your visibility, driving more organic traffic to your blog and enhancing your affiliate marketing success. 2. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms are excellent tools for affiliate marketing if used strategically. By sharing engaging content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can promote affiliate products to a broad audience. Crafting compelling posts or stories with affiliate links can attract attention and drive traffic to your recommended products. It's important to choose the social media platforms that best fit your niche and where your target audience is most active. Engaging with your followers and building a strong online community can further enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Additionally, collaborating with influencers can amplify your reach. Partnering with individuals who have a significant following in your niche can help promote your affiliate links to a larger, more relevant audience. Influencers often have established trust with their followers, making their recommendations more effective. Ensure that any collaborations align with your brand and audience interests to maximize the impact of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Creating visually appealing content and utilizing platform-specific features, like Instagram stories or Facebook ads, can further boost your affiliate marketing success on social media. 3. Start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel offers a dynamic platform for affiliate marketing. By creating engaging video content related to your niche, you can incorporate affiliate links in your video descriptions. Product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons are popular video types that effectively promote affiliate products. Visual demonstrations and personal insights can help viewers make informed purchasing decisions, leading to higher conversion rates through your affiliate links. Consistent video production and audience engagement are key to growing your channel and enhancing your affiliate marketing efforts. Optimizing your videos for search engines can significantly increase your reach. Using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags can improve your visibility on YouTube and search engines. Additionally, encouraging viewers to click on your affiliate links through compelling calls to action can draw more traffic to your recommended products. Regularly analyzing your video performance and audience feedback can help refine your content strategy and improve the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing campaigns on YouTube. 4. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for affiliate marketing when used effectively. Building an email list of subscribers interested in your niche allows you to promote affiliate products directly to their inboxes. Crafting informative and valuable newsletters with strategically placed affiliate links can drive traffic and generate commissions. Offering exclusive content, discounts, or bonuses through your emails can also incentivize subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. Maintaining a consistent email schedule and segmenting your list based on interests can improve your results. Personalized email campaigns that address specific needs or preferences of your subscribers are more likely to resonate and lead to higher engagement. Regularly analyzing your email campaign metrics, such as open rates and click-through rates, can provide insights into what resonates with your audience and help optimize your affiliate marketing strategies. Providing valuable content alongside your affiliate promotions ensures that your emails remain relevant and effective. 5. Write comprehensive product reviews. Detailed product reviews are an effective way to earn money through affiliate marketing. By providing in-depth evaluations of products related to your niche, you can build trust with your audience and guide them towards making informed purchasing decisions. High-quality reviews that highlight both the pros and cons of products can help readers understand their options better. Including affiliate links within these reviews can lead to higher conversion rates as readers are more likely to purchase based on a thorough analysis. To maximize the effectiveness of your product reviews, focus on transparency and authenticity. Honest and unbiased reviews help establish credibility and build trust with your audience. Providing real-life examples and personal experiences with the products can make your reviews more relatable and convincing. Engaging with your readers by addressing their questions or concerns in the comments section can further enhance the impact of your reviews and foster a loyal following. 6. Offer free resources or tools. Providing free resources or tools related to your niche can be a valuable affiliate marketing strategy. By offering downloadable guides, templates, or tools, you can attract potential customers and promote affiliate products within these resources. For example, a free ebook on digital marketing tips can include affiliate links to recommended software or services. This approach not only adds value for your audience but also creates opportunities for affiliate sales through the resources you provide. Promoting your free resources through various channels can increase their reach and effectiveness. Sharing links to your resources on social media, your blog, or through email marketing can drive more traffic and generate leads. Additionally, optimizing your resources for search engines can help attract organic traffic and potential customers interested in your niche. Providing high-quality and useful resources ensures that your audience finds value, increasing the likelihood of converting leads into affiliate sales. 7. Create online courses or webinars. Developing online courses or hosting webinars can be a lucrative way to incorporate affiliate marketing. By creating educational content related to your niche, you can offer valuable insights and recommendations while promoting affiliate products. For instance, a course on personal finance can include affiliate links to recommended financial tools or services. This method not only helps establish your authority in the field but also creates multiple opportunities for affiliate income. Marketing your courses or webinars effectively can enhance your affiliate earnings. Utilizing social media, email marketing, and partnerships with other industry experts can help drive traffic and attract participants. Providing high-quality content and a positive learning experience can lead to higher engagement and more affiliate sales. Analyzing feedback from your participants can also help improve your offerings and maximize your affiliate marketing potential. Mastering affiliate marketing is a dynamic process that involves leveraging various strategies effectively. From creating a niche blog to utilizing social media platforms, each method offers unique opportunities to generate income. Starting a YouTube channel or engaging in email marketing can further amplify your affiliate marketing efforts. Comprehensive product reviews, offering free resources, and developing online courses or webinars also play a significant role in maximizing your affiliate revenue. Implementing these strategies consistently and adapting to your audience's needs will greatly enhance your affiliate marketing success. Thank you for watching our in-depth guide on the top 7 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. For additional resources, visit our website at cryptogalorenews.live. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore for updates and the latest news. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.